Hello and welcome to Lesson 5 of the beginner course of Gaeilge Inniu. There are a few different ways of asking someone, how are you, in Irish. Have a listen to how it's phrased in the different dialects. In Munster, Conas atá tú. Conas atá tú. In Connaught, cén chaoi bhfuil tú. Cén chaoi bhfuil tú. And lastly, in the Ulster dialect, chaoi mar atá tú. Chaoi mar atá tú.
Have a listen to them in the following conversation and notice the different ways of responding and talking about how you are.
Hi,
Haigh, Conas atá tú.
tá mé go maith, agus tú féin?
Tá mé go hiontach. Cén chaoi bhfuil do mháthair.
Níl sí ródhona anois.
Tá sé sin go maith.
Slán go fóill.
Slán leat.
Let's go through those again, and this time we'll leave gaps for you to give it a go yourself again. Hi. Hi.
Haigh, Conas atá tú. Haigh, Conas atá tú.
Tá mé go maith, agus tú féin? Tá mé go maith, agus tú féin?
Tá mé go hiontach. Cén chaoi bhfuil do mháthair. Tá mé go hiontach. Cén chaoi bhfuil do mháthair.
Níl sí ródhona anois. Níl sí ródhona anois.
Tá sé sin go maith. Tá sé sin go maith.
Slán go fóill. Slán go fóill.
Slán leat. Slán leat.
Great. So remember, you can use any of those forms of how are you that you prefer. We'll use Conas atá tú for the most part because that's probably the most commonly used way of saying how are you in Ireland. However, they're all used depending on where you are in the country and who you're speaking to. A couple of adjectives and adverbs you might have picked up there are go maith, meaning good or well. Go maith. Go hiontach, meaning great or excellent. Go hiontach. And ródhona, too bad. Ródhona, too bad. That comes from the word dona, which on its own means bad.
Well done on completing Lesson 5 of Gaeilge Inniu, asking someone how they are and how to respond. Good day and Kate Dorella. Until next time, Slán is Connaught.
Slán.